Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Josh Smith here, aka the Dadtreprenewer, and I am so excited to bring you guys another video. I know it's been a while. There's been a lot happening in my life, but this is a huge milestone and I want to share it with you all today. So that being said, I'm not going to build too much curiosity. I'm just going to get right into this for you guys and let you know we have crossed the 1,000 subscriber mark on YouTube. So today I want to bring you this special video outlining and showing you the exact 3-step process that I used to grow my YouTube channel and to create a second revenue stream with affiliate marketing and growing the YouTube at the same time. Because for those of you that don't know, when you get to X amount of viewers, X amount of subscribers on YouTube, that 1,000 subscriber mark, you are able to start monetizing your channel. Not only that, if you are familiar with affiliate marketing and what it is that I do, the power of this and the power of driving traffic from other sources, stay tuned, we're more on that. The power of driving traffic to other sources like YouTube gets you paid that way too, because people get to engage with more content. They get to see you more. If they love your YouTube content, maybe they go down your funnel, your simple 2-page website, which is another thing we're going to talk about here. And then they buy and you build trust that way, and they buy from your affiliate partner, which is the last thing that we're going to talk about, part 3, the right affiliate partner. They buy from them and you get paid a commission on it. So let's go ahead, let's get into this video, and I want to reveal to you the exact framework that I use to build this out. So here we go. We're going to switch over to picture-in-picture for the rest of this. And as you can see, boom, 1K. Thank you all so much for the help there. Thank you to my TikTok following. Shout out to you guys out there for making this all possible and for allowing me to teach and help you do this. So again, we do all our videos right now. This is one take. This is all live. This is immediately getting uploaded. So I just wanted to share with you guys how easy this process is. You don't need a bunch of fancy editing. You don't need beautiful sales funnels. You don't need anything crazy like that. So let me just do this real quick. Technical malfunction. We're gonna okay. Let's go back here. Boom, full screen for everybody. Okay, so here is step 1 of what you need. And all you need for this simple system, this 3-step process that I used, you need a TikTok channel, you need some sort of sales funnel or a 2-page website, and you need the right affiliate partner. So as you can see, boom, this is my TikTok channel here right now. Actually, it's my second one. I've grown one to 78,000. Those of you who follow my story, I've done that before. So there's credibility there. Like, I've done all of this before. Built one to 78,000, let that business die. Unfortunately, started from scratch. And as you can see, we crossed the 45,000 mark. So let's get down to this video that I want to break down as part of it. So TikTok is so hot right now. You're probably hearing all this stuff about affiliate marketing on TikTok and all, geez, okay. And all of these people who are having success right now with affiliate marketing on TikTok. What is happening? Okay, anyway, I have all these technical issues, and anyway, we're not going to edit this. You're going to see that we're just going to put it up there and see what happens. But I want to share with you that TikTok is so hot right now, right? It's the low-hanging fruit. Anyone who knows anything about online marketing, digital marketing, social media marketing, the more eyeballs that you get to your offer, the more eyeballs that you get to your business, the better it's going to be. And there is no better platform right now than TikTok. And I am living proof of it. I have been able to start my business completely from scratch, utilizing nothing but this system in a TikTok profile to grow my YouTube following to 1,000 subscribers, to grow my affiliate marketing business to a sustainable level, and just have a ton of success. So I want to share it with you right now. So that's what you need. You need a TikTok channel to start. And let's talk about why this works so well. Again, TikTok is the low-hanging fruit, and there's tons of traffic right now. So we're going to show you just this video here real quick where I talk about a different side hustle. And here's kind of the strategy behind it. Like, we're going to get into
make
this.
You money while you sleep, part 2.
Hopefully you guys
Do you
can
have
hear
one of
this.
These and want to make 10,000 of these? Then come on over here to clickbank.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, come down to the affiliate marketplace. This is what it looks like. For this example, we're going to use e-business and e-marketing.
Okay.
Scroll down to
Here
find
it comes.
an offer
Pay
that
attention.
pays high-ticket commissions. Click promote, then head on over to my YouTube channel. Link is
Boom.
in the bio, and find this video about how I replaced my full-time income within 20
Okay.
days.
That's literally all I'm doing, right? I'm building curiosity in the TikTok video about this side hustle. And because TikTok is only, 15 to 60 second long videos, you can't break down the whole side hustle. So that is the tactic behind it, is to build curiosity about the side hustle, kind of introduce people to what you're going to be teaching them, and, hoping that they want more, and then you direct them over to your YouTube channel. Do you see how simple that was? Do you see how easy that was? I made that video very, very quickly. And I posted it up in 123,000 views right now. And it's grown my YouTube following in the past 2 weeks since I first posted that, about 300 subscribers. So this is what we're doing, how we're utilizing TikTok to drive people to our YouTube, to grow YouTube. But then here's the cool part, guys, and we talk about this, is having that 2-page website for your affiliate marketing business. So this is how it ties together. You're teaching people in this video, I'm teaching people, giving them an introduction to affiliate marketing, ClickBank, and what it's about. Then I direct them to my YouTube channel. And through that, I break it down and I show them how to utilize ClickBank. And what they're going to need to be successful with ClickBank is this 2-page website that I'm about to show you right here. I'm going to give you an example of mine, but these 2-page websites drive so many sales for affiliate marketers, whatever their niche is, whether it's on ClickBank, whether it's on TikTok. But this is how it connects, and this is how you can utilize it. So you're driving people over to that YouTube page, and right on the YouTube page, like the video that I'm showing them about, look at what I have right here. Boom. I am teaching them affiliate marketing. I'm giving them some social proof of how I've had success with it. And then I'm giving them an opportunity to get started here at the link in the description on my YouTube channel. So not only are they seeing me in my 2-page website here on my TikTok profile, when people go over to YouTube and I gain traction on this video because of the TikTok people doing that, not only are the TikTok people in the following over there seeing and interacting with you again, it's driving the YouTube algorithm. Hey, lots of people are watching this. Let me show it to new people. So then you have new people who've never even heard of you on TikTok that are coming to your YouTube page. They're learning from you, they're interacting, and then they get a chance to click this link right here. And where's it going to take them? It's going to take them down this right here, which is my 2-page website right here. And for those of you that click the link, you've obviously seen this before. Maybe you even got started, but this is all it is. Look at how simple this is. This isn't fancy. This is so basic. It's so basic. And inside the 15-day challenge, we'll talk about that a little bit later, partnering with the right company. Inside of that, they give you all of the tools that you need to succeed, and you can literally copy and paste over your own 2-page website where you have an intro right here. And then when they hit start now, there's this little pop-up right here. So they enter their email address. And then from there, we'll go back. This is why it's called a 2-page website. Then from there, we're going to leave. They get taken over to the next page, which is called your bridge page. So on that first page, you're talking about, hey, never worry about money again, right? Like, this is how you start a super high profitable online high ticket affiliate marketing business. This is what worked for me. I want to share it with you. So then the next step is, after they put in their email, they come over to this bridge page right here. If it will load, my internet's going slow today, but boom, look at. And then they get introduced to immediately, like, oh my gosh, the number one thing most digital entrepreneurs are missing is the right online business model. And then you kind of talk about it and you introduce them to it. And then you have this bridge page video right here. Let's preview it so you guys can see it a little bit. This is my actual bridge page video. Like, look, this is me.
Hey, thank you so much for putting
you get to interact with me. You get to hear about my story a little bit more. And then from there, with this bridge page, I'm using that to connect with my audience yet again and say, hey, you know, if you're interested in what it is that I do, you can get started with the 15-day challenge. You can learn from us. You can learn the exact strategies that I used to start having this success. So then what happens is they click the start now button, and I'm not going to click it because I'm already a member of the 15-day challenge, but it's going to take them to the sales video so that they get to meet Dave, the CEO and owner of Legendary Marketer. They get to meet him. They get to hear a little bit about his story, and then they have that opportunity to sign up for the 15-day challenge and get all the crazy stuff that comes with it. And again, this is the back end now of what you actually see in the 15-day challenge, right? The first day, boom, it starts off the #1 secret to building a high ticket, high profit business online. Day 3, boom, you literally get to build a business in 30 minutes. Like, what blows my mind? You get to copy and paste this over here, this 2-page website that I'm talking about. I didn't do all of this. I literally copy and pasted this, changed it around, made it my story. Obviously, I put in the things that applied to my life directly and that my audience will resonate with because they're in a similar situation. I don't steal somebody else's story. Don't do that, but they'll teach you all about that in there. And then so in 30 minutes, you have your own business up and running. Now you just got to go create that TikTok profile. And so this brings me to point 3 of the 3-step system, and that is partnering with the right affiliate marketing program, partnering with the right offer. Now there's all sorts of ways, you know, that you can do this with ClickBank. There's there's thousands of offers out there, and you can go find one that you like. Maybe your niche is, you know, parents and you want to partner with Baby Sleep Miracle, or, you know, you want to partner with some reading program that helps kids read. Like, that is great. In my website's not loading, but for me right now in my life, I like to help people build a business. I'm learning in the grind right now of having a successful affiliate marketing business. And here's why I recommend people to Legendary. Because through being in the 15-day challenge and finding the right partner for me, who was Legendary, they did an event where it was a TikTok challenge. And that is literally how I even heard about doing online marketing on TikTok, and it's been responsible for 99% of my business's revenue over the past year. And you don't get that except with the community, in the people that you partner with with the right program that works for you. And again, for me, it was Legendary. I was able to learn about that because of their awesome Facebook community. Because I was a part of it, I got that opportunity, and it allowed me to thrive, and it allowed me to create this system that I am now sharing with you all. So again, it's a 3-step system that's taken me, and it's allowed me to not only grow my TikTok, but grow my affiliate marketing business. And through that, I've been able to grow a YouTube channel that I can now monetize and create another stream of income. So again, I hope this video was helpful to you all. I hope you understood that. Sorry about the technical issues. If you're interested in learning more about it, you will have an opportunity to go to the link in the description. You could start the 15-day challenge. You can email me. You can learn more about ClickFunnels, which is the software that we use to build our 2-page website. And again, you can follow me on TikTok or join the Facebook group. So I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for helping me get to 1K. And I hope this breakdown will help you take the next steps in your journey, and it will help you to just have something click like it clicked for me. So next year at this time, or maybe a month down the road, or maybe 2 months down the road, you'll be sitting in the same position as me, teaching other people about your passion, growing your TikTok following, growing your business, and having your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So good luck. I appreciate you guys, and I'm out.